Hi guys, need to show you here how to do concrete work. You can see plates here. Expansion joint, control joint. You can see here metal, embed metal. Control joint, allowing electrical work, and you can see storm system, catch basin. The issue here in this project, there's an embedded plate, there's no anchor, embedded plate, and here that's stud and anchor bolt. You can see anchor bolt with tape, and here they are working with main wire lines. You can see duct pipe, and here diamond, here embedded plate, diamond and anchor bolt. That's fire sprinkler system. You can see 6 inches ductile pipe, anchor bolts. They are working. And here you can see the turning walls. See the turning wall, stone, that's concrete work, slab, turn down slab. There's insulation here.